Welcome everyone, my name is Yogi Emmanuelle, and for today's video I will guide you into a clearing meditation that will help release any debris of fear, imbalance, confusion that are being projected through the humanity of the planet Earth. This meditation will help you ground your energy, will help you release all blockages that you may be holding on to, and it's gonna activate your energies that's gonna help you become more magnetic and more powerful at this time. This is gonna amplify your light and bring more clarity into your present moment. We're gonna receive different sounds, different transmission throughout this meditation, and all you have to do is close your eyes. Bring your palms open, palms up, rested on top of your knees. You can lie down or allow your spine to be long and lengthen. This is going to help you to receive as much light as you can throughout this journey. So when you're ready, close your eyes, focus on your breath. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. And the first transmission is going to come through sounds, and it's going to help clear your aura, clear your mind, and give you a protection so that you will maintain all the good energy that you're going to receive today. So be like a sponge and receive. Hi-yo. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Allow the energy to clear your mental, your physical, your spiritual energy. As some of you may know that we are on the verge of transition on our planet. We are on a lockdown for a reason. We are being calibrated on a bigger scale as a world, as a society, as a being. We are being activated. We are going to receive a lot of new energy that are going to come through, and it is important for us to receive them and not be distracted. All we have to do at this time is to open up and to receive all these high vibrational frequencies. So I encourage you to meditate as much as you can. Drink lots of water, be in nature, ground yourself into the earth, walk barefoot, and really absorb as much as you can at this time. When you focus on the story that is being projected by the media, you are blocking yourself from receiving this energy. You want to find peace, stillness, and alignment. This next energy transmission is going to give you more clarity when it comes to receiving. Again, palms up, receive. Feel your heart relaxing, opening, receiving. Haya suku ashisi na yokukusia nanaya isia nanaya. All is well, my child. Take care of yourself. be one, be in nature, love, laugh, be at peace. Yo, 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 yo. Hishia, hishia, hishia. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. I picked 3 cards for this transmission, and these 3 cards are nurture yourself, meditate, and detach from drama. It's really crucial right now to really be by yourself and not be affected by other people, because a lot of people are running on fear. And if you want to connect with your higher self, with your divinity, with your spirit guides, you have to do the work and to really isolate yourself. Take care of yourself and really tune in to what your higher self is downloading into your body, into your mind, into your cells. All of this is happening right now. So we're going to ground everything that we have received for this transmission, and we're going to allow it to be balanced, to manifest all around us within the next 3 days, and to really allow us to connect deeply with Mother Earth at this time. This is also going to help balance your auric field, all the chakras. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe and share the video. Take time to ground yourself and come back into your body. Focus on your breath. And drink lots of water. Thank you for watching. Namaste.